To create a subdomain and install WordPress on Namecheap, follow these steps. Create a subdomain. Log into your Namecheap account. Visit the Namecheap website and enter your credentials. Access Domain List. Click on Domain List in the left sidebar to view your domains. Select your domain. Find the domain where you want to create a subdomain and click Manage. Go to Advanced DNS. Click on the Advanced DNS tab. Add subdomain. In the Host Record section, click Add New Record. Select a record or CNAME record from the drop-down. Host. Enter your desired subdomain. Value. Enter the IP address of your hosting or the target admin. TTL. Leave as automatic. Save changes. Click the green checkmark to save your new subdomain. Install WordPress. Log into your hosting account. Access your hosting account associated with the subdomain. Go to Subtaculous App Installer. In the Hosting Control panel, find Subtaculous or a similar app installer. Select WordPress. Click on WordPress and then Install. Configure installation. Choose your subdomain from the drop-down menu. Fill in site details and select your preferred options. Install. Click the Install button to complete the setup.